So you lower your affective filter and feel comfortable with speaking, then there are 2 tips I can give it to you to make speaking into a daily practice. Number 1, instead of just recalling one word, I want you to put things together in actually very short expressions, but still in sentence format. For instance, pop. That means like rice or meals in Korean, right? But if I add 2 more syllables to it and say 밥 먹어, that means like yo, eat. Number 2, you don't have a speaking partner around you, but you can still use your phone and do it for free to practice pronunciation, let's say. All you gotta do is just turn the dictation setting on your keyboard, and on your phone, just speak that language you're trying to master in that language and see how things get typed out on your phone. So if the phone recognizes what you're trying to say, then you actually are getting close to that pronunciation goal. And this is actually really working great with spelling as well. I actually suggest this to 2nd generation Korean American students who can say words but struggle with spelling. So what this does is it picks up the words, right, and gives you in the standard spelling. So they see that over time and fix their spelling mistakes as well. Very natural process. So learn 1 short expression a day, like what I give you, 1 day, 1 Korean expression, and then you try to practice it through your phone through that dictation setting. All right, hope this helps.